In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Calendar to Notion. This is a simple process that will barely take 5 minutes of your time, but it can significantly enhance your productivity by centralizing your schedule and notes in one platform. Let's dive into it. First, head over to the Google Calendar website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the Google Calendar URL or simply conducting a Google search. Once you're on the Google Calendar page, you'll see a list of your calendars on the left-hand side. Look for the specific calendar you'd like to integrate with Notion. Next to the calendar you want, there are 3 little dots that provide additional options. These are your gateway to the settings we need. Go ahead and click on these dots to open up a menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Settings and Sharing. This will take you to a new page containing various settings tailored to your chosen calendar. You'll want to scroll down until you come across the section labeled Integrate Calendar. Clicking here reveals the information we'll be needing for Notion. You'll notice 2 important fields here, the public URL to the calendar and the embed code. You can choose either, but the public URL is generally straightforward and user-friendly for our needs. Copy the public URL, making sure you get every character to ensure the link works properly. Next, let's shift our attention to Notion. Open your Notion account in a new tab or window. Once you're signed in, navigate to the specific page where you'd like to display your Google Calendar. If you don't have a page set up yet, you might want to create a new one to keep things organized, especially if you're planning to link multiple calendars. Now on that Notion page, you'll need to paste the calendar link you just copied. Simply click on an empty space on the page and paste the URL. After pasting, you'll notice a few options pop up. Here's the crucial part. Click on Embed. What this does is it tells Notion to take the content of the link you provided and integrate it into the page seamlessly. And that's it. You've now successfully linked your Google Calendar to Notion, and you should see the calendar displayed within your Notion workspace. This integration is a great way to keep track of your events and tasks all in one place, essentially allowing for a more streamlined workflow. Remember, if you ever need to make changes to which calendar is linked, you can simply repeat these steps, beginning with selecting a different calendar over on Google Calendar. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you make the most out of your Notion and Google Calendar integration.